Hi everyone, it's me Keith again from everythingwares.com. This time we're going to learn about C++, the very basics in C++. So what we're going to use right now is the dev C++ compiler from Bloodshed. You can download this one for free. You can just Google dev C++, and as of the moment this is the latest version that we're currently having right now. What we're going to do first is the very basic on how we're going to run a simple program or the simple hello world in C++. First, we're going to click on File, click on New, then Source File. Now, if you want to create a project so that all of the source files that you have will be placed in a particular folder, a project folder, then you can use this one. But for me, since this is just a sample, so I'm just going to click on Source File. There you go. So it's kind of empty, nothing is in there. So we need to learn about the pretty basics, or the basic in C++. First, we are going to use a comment. So the comment will start with a double slash or the double forward slash, then followed by, of course, whatever you're going to write in here. So for example, if I'm going to write my first program in C++, then it will only be displayed on the compiler's program environment. However, if you're going to run the program or publish the program, then this will not be included. This is just for some sort of a guide purpose. Next is I'm going to type in hashtag or the sharp sign include, then iostream. Now the main purpose of this one is like some sort of a library from which you are going to allow input and output on our C++ program later on. Okay, next is I'm going to type in using namespace std, which stands for standard. So if ever you're going to type in or output a particular statement, then you don't need to type in std anymore. Okay, so next is I'm going to type in int main, open close parentheses, then this is where the programming or the coding starts. So I'm going to type in opening and closing bracket, then in there, let's say if I'm going to output something, so cout stands for console out, then after these two back arrows or something like a less than sign, I'm going to type in inside a double quote hello world. There you go. Then end your statement with a semicolon. Then after that one, so after the semicolon, I'm just going to press my enter key, then type in return 0, which means you're trying to end the program in here. So you're trying to finish the program. Now to run this one, all you need to do is just to click on execute, then press F11 on your keyboard. So you're going to click on compile and run. So the program is going to prompt you to compile your work. So let's say if I'm just going to save this one anywhere, let's say just in my documents, so I'm just going to save, let's say, got a lot of files in here. This is just hello. Okay, there you go. So the save as type should be C++ source files. Click on save. There you go. So this time it's going to compile, and as you can see in here, this is the output window. Now this is hello world. Now whatever you're going to type inside the cout or inside this what do you call this, whatever, just double quotes, so whatever you're going to type in there, then definitely that will be the one, that's the one is going to be displayed. So let's say hi, I'm Keith. There you go. So click on execute, then compile and run. You're done. So that's the first part of our C++ tutorial. Bye for now.